Let's open up Hot Wheels Deutschland design Porsche 959. Let's open this baby up. Yeah, this one's cool. The Safari. Safari's cool. Awesome. Let's open a Hot Wheels Deutschland design Audi S4 Quattro. Maybe I should add a light to it. There you go. That's a nice piece. Only Audis I like are these old 90s, early 2000 versions, and can't go wrong. There we go. Now we can see it better with this 959 Safari. Awesome. Let's put this guys away. We'll put this one right there. Yeah, cool. And then we'll get this Audi over here next to the Avent wagon. Yeah. Yeah, I had to. I'm probably gonna make room for a BMW from the Deutschland design. I got up here. Then these vans, these panels, I'm gonna have to find room somewhere else for them. I kind of purged these guys out from here. I need to get a bigger case. Invest in some more cases is what I need to do. I'm running out of room. Peace.